Trackslag to the Mk5 Golf. It looks a bit windy outside. It's supposed to rain at 1 o'clock, so we've got up a bit earlier to make sure we get it done in plenty of time. So let's go. Welcome to the amateur life. No, we don't get a ramp. Fortunately enough, Mk5s tend to have, I'm not sure if it's factory, James seems to think that it is, but they've actually got poly exhaust hangers, red ones. Whether they're aftermarket or standard, I don't know. So we'll be using them again because they seem like they're in pretty good nick. Fully electric hybrid, no exhaust whatsoever. Oh, she's meaty. We'll just leave it like that. Dangerous.
So there it is, the shiny centre section. There's Dan underneath the car, grafting away for a change. How's it going, Dan?
Well, I don't know, I need this exhaust before I can tell you.
How's it going?
I think that this design is absolutely phenomenal.
Aye.
I do. There's basically two holes. I know it's independent suspension, but where both the rear wishbones connect to this bit of metal, there's two holes come from factory, and I will pat Trackslag on the back for using them two holes to allow this to have an extra hanger. If you can look here, that is the bracket there. As you can see where the bolts come through. So this basically sits on the top of here, like so, and that hanger goes into there. It's ingenious, and I'm very happy with it. And how do you feel about getting a new Trackslag on your car?
I'm very happy, very happy.
We'll wait
Can't
and
wait
see.
to hear it.
Yes, that's hopefully it's got a nice little note to it, eh?
Hopefully.
So we've put it on loosely. It actually looks really nice. The fitting of it's brilliant. James was a bit dubious about the front section where it connects onto the original exhaust. Ideally, if we could have put a full system on, it would have been great. But obviously you're talking, what, £800 plus. Maybe we'll do it at a later date, but I'll give you a look at these tips, see what you think.
Yeah, it's that Z, Super, no, she my flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that Z, Super, no, she my flow. Yeah, 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 yeah.
How we're liking it, James?
It looks good. I'm twisting a little bit, I think.
A little bit of alteration, a little bit of tweaking, a few alterations.
I'm happy, aye.
Well, let's get it put back together and let's see what it sounds like. That's the exhaust on. Let's give it a whirl, hear what it sounds like. Hopefully there's no blows. Not cold start, aye. Starts off, give it a bit. Rev it, James. Again. Nice. Right, so let's take it for a spin. Spin around. Let's see what she sounds like. Put this window down. That's better. Dead quiet in here, isn't it? Another video of the Mark 5 content. I quite enjoy working on the Mark 5. It was something different. To be honest, I really like the car. I would have one as a daily driver. I'm curious to know what a full Trackslag system would sound like on one. I mean, the improvement off the cat back alone was great, and like I say, the fitting on it was fantastic. So anybody considering buying one, I highly recommend one. As for the Mark II content, that will carry on in the next video. Still waiting on parts. It's this time of the crisis and all that. It isn't helping the situation. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.